Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is you can see here electric oven. This one having problem. We are not able to close the door. This is brand Wice General. You can see here it is all the options. All options are working. That's mean heater, up and down, fan, griller, everything's working. But we are not able to close the door. It is coming like that. You can see this is the problem. Also now I'm going to repair this one. I will show you how to repair and we will go to the next step. Given power connection, I will select here up and down heater, also fan, everything I will select. After that we can understand it is whether working or not all. Now you can hear the noise. Is the fan working? Also you can see it is rotating griller. That one also rotating. It is yes, it's warming. Now the machine is working properly. We have to prepare the door. Why is not closing? We have to remove the back of the cover. We have to remove the cover. It should come like that. You can see here it is bent already. It should come like that. After that here it will come with this one, with this coming screw. We have to fix. After that our problem will get resolved. Now we have to do here, we have to fix screw here. Also we have to make properly this one. It should go here and there, but at the moment it's not going. It is getting stuck here. You can see after making that one it will be okay. Now dear friends, you can see it is, I already got loose. Now it's going here and there. You can see. After that I have to fix one screw here. Now dear friends, I'm going to fix this screw here. Now dear friends, it will come like that. You can see. Now after fixing spring, it should be okay. Now I will fix the spring here. Now we will check. Just here, now it is okay. Now you can see this is the system. Now we can add here some grease or something. I will use grease. Yes dear, now it's okay. Now it's closing properly. Also we can open. This is small job actually, but it is now it's okay. Now we have to close the panel. Now we have to close the cover. After that our job will be okay. Yes dear, now it's okay. Now I have to close the cover only. After that my job will be complete. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.